So, when you're talking about authentication is the process of confirming a user's identity. For example, when you enter a username and password, that's authentication. You are proving you are who you claim to be.
Gathering information about your target without directly interacting with the target system or network. This is not like active reconnaissance, which is about sending traffic to the target and observing the responses. Passive reconnaissance is about collecting data without alerting your target about the reconnaissance activity that you are conducting. This will minimize your risk of detection and make it easy to gather information. OneWeb.com. For this, we will use Burp Suite. Once I have started the Burp Suite proxy, we will reload testphp.oneweb.com and see the headers. So for your request, you can see these headers, host, user agent, and various different headers. And in the response, you can see that most of the security headers are missing. Okay, so this is the response from the server. As you can see here in the URL. Here, we will test reflected XSS by utilizing the search functionality. As you can see, any input is reflected back immediately over here in the search results. Therefore, we can enter an XSS payload that starts as script, which is a JavaScript payload, alert 1/script.
And email ID I will specify testuser@test.com, and I'll specify a mobile number followed by a password. So test at 1 2 3. So now if I click on send,